children, how are you all? Hope you all are well and good. So today in this video we are going to learn about the types of software. But before learning the types of software, we should know the relation between the hardware and the software. Software is that part of the computer which is the medium to connect between the hardware and the user. Suppose we are the user, we are using the hardware. So to use the hardware, we need a medium. We need a medium through which we can use the hardware, or we can give instruction to the hardware, isn't it? So that medium is the software. Now children, you think, by seeing the screen, by seeing the monitor, you can do the work. If there is no screen, if there is nothing you can see on the monitor, can you work on a computer? No. You cannot work on a computer without seeing the screen. So you have to follow the screen for working on a computer. This is the fact which I am explaining, that the hardware and the software are both interrelated with each other. If there is no software, you cannot use the hardware. Okay, there will be no communication with the hardware device. Suppose this is my phone, and inside my phone there is, you cannot see on the screen, you cannot see anything on the screen. On my phone you cannot see anything on the screen. Now can you operate this phone? No. Can you use this phone? No, you cannot use this. Why you cannot use this? Because you can't see anything on the screen. So just like that, in a computer also you can see, this is the computer screen. If you can't see anything, on the screen, see, I have turned off the screen. Now if you can't see anything on the screen, can you type anything? No, you cannot type. Can you watch any movie? No, you cannot watch any movie. Can you listen to any song? No, you cannot listen to any song. Why? Because you cannot see on the screen. So whatever is shown on the screen, whatever is shown on the screen, whatever you are looking on the screen, with the help of that only you can maintain, you can work on a computer. Clear? Understood children? So this is the screen, and by seeing the screen only you can use the computer. So this was the relation between the hardware and the software. So children, from here we can conclude that if there is no software, you cannot use the hardware of a computer. Okay, now moving on to the types of softwares. Children, there are two types of softwares, the system software and the application software. I am telling it again, there are two types of softwares, the system software and the application software. So first we will learn about the system software. Children, what is a system software? System software is a built-in software which controls the overall working of a computer. It controls and manages the different activities that are happening in a system. You see, a system software is that type of software which manages the system, manages the computer system. Okay, whatever the work you are doing on a computer, those works are managed with the help of a system software. Basically, you can say that a system software works as a driver of a computer. Like we are having driver in our cars, isn't it? What the driver does? The driver can move the car on the left, the driver can move the car on the right. So the driver can manage the car. The driver can operate the whole car sitting on a same place. So just like that, the system software also manages the working of a computer. So just like that, the system software manages the working of a computer. Operating system is one of the example of system software. Clear children? Now it is necessary for all the computers to have that operating system, because the operating system operates the whole computer, manages the whole computer. Okay, so some of the examples of operating systems are Windows 7, Windows 10, Windows NT, Linux, various type of examples are there. So those operating systems are used in various computers which we can see in various fields. Clear? Next is the application software. So softwares which help us to do a specific type of work. Suppose if we need to type anything, we will use MS Word. If we have to paint anything on the screen, we will use MS Paint. If we have to do logo commands, we will need the software MSW Logo. If we have to see any movie, we will need MX Player, or we will need Windows Media Player. Okay, so doing various types of works, doing specific type of work, specific softwares are there. If we have to open internet, or if we have to browse the internet, definitely we will use Google Chrome, not the media player, isn't it? Because the work of the media player is to play the song, the work of the media player is to play the movies, but the work of the Google Chrome is to surf, is to help us to surf the internet. So these are the specific tasks. For specific tasks we are having specific softwares, and those specific softwares are known as the application software. Clear, children? So this was the difference between the system software and application software. So at last we will conclude that the system software is that software which manages the overall operation of a computer, and the application software are those softwares which are used for some sort of specific tasks. Clear? So these are the two softwares which we are using in our daily life. Clear? So children, this was the end of the chapter. Let it be up to this. In my next class I will be starting with our next chapter, that is more on keyboards. So children, thank you very much. Have a nice day.